Good morning, I am in Hathersage because, I don't know why I'm talking like that, I'm going to be doing a gravel ride with my friend Angela, so the bike is in the back, and yeah, we're just going to try out a bit of gravel. Like, Angela is really used to gravel and has done a lot of gravel riding, so I'm going to be picking up some tips because I'm quite new to it. So yeah, very excited. The weather's pretty nice actually. It's not as cold as I was expecting for December. It is like, what was that? Like 4 or 5 degrees.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. Running from the law.
So we've come, like that basically there is Snake. Have you dropped your glove?
Again. Yeah.
She dropped it in the mud. So we've ridden down and Snake Pass is there and we've just come to the end of the trail. So yeah, we're just having a little photo sesh with the bikes. Am I in your way?
I've got you wandering around with your arms. Oh, look, food time's quick.
Go on, get that shot. And it's nice, the sun's just come out. Oh, that looks nice.
Well, I need to be like this.
Can you take it on the other side?
Right. I've got to catch you up.
Do you think that's safe on there?
Have a look.
Do you think that's safe?
Oh my god.
No.
I mean, there's no wind.
Yeah, there's no wind.
Pacing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
That is amazing. I can't believe how warm it is. It's, what is it, like 5 degrees or something? It is
Yes,
toasty.
it's like super.
We are very lucky. I reckon. This is a really nice little gravel road actually. You've got
Yeah, I
picked us a
like
good little
this.
route. It's not too crazy.
No, it's like proper gravel, isn't it? It's,
Yeah.
It's not like.
So do you reckon in the UK like we have either like almost road or almost mountain bike? There's not really in
around here
between.
there's
Yeah.
not. I mean, in Scotland there's more because you get all those Forestry Commission
Yeah.
paths and stuff.
I think as well, I don't know whether you think the same, but I think because we've come from like road biking,
Yeah.
to push your bike, it's almost like a defeat.
Yeah.
Whereas I think when you're doing like gravelly stuff, it's like, it's part of that, I guess.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I think.
When we.
Oh, look at that one on its own, on its on the left.
Oh,
Hello. I wish we had a carrot. Look at this sunlight. It's not even that cold. This is so much fun. I freaking love gravel.
To the very end. Many men trying to reach it.
God, they are dirty. So we're just back at Alkit and I've just got in and asked and been like, is there maybe you've got a hose pipe we can maybe just spray our bikes on? They're like, yeah, bring them in, go on the back. So thanks so much to Alkit for letting us do that because that is gross. Back at the car now. Had such a good day. We also met another girl that we know who rides Grace, so we met her, went to the cafe, had a little drink and then we set off and it's just been the best day. It's had such a fun day riding and Angie's just always really fun to ride with, just really, really like her. So, although I've got so much grit in my teeth from just being off-road, there's grit everywhere. Also, again, thank you so much to Alpka, that was so nice and washing the bikes off for us, so yeah. So I guess that's it. There was definitely going to be more gravel in 2020. Got quite a few different events and gravel plans in my head and signed up for, so yeah, definitely be a lot more gravel next year. CGR was the first time I probably ridden it on gravel. Just I felt so much more confident on it because I'm a little bit nervy, I've got to be honest. But yeah, this is just the tester, so I'm gonna figure out which bike I'm gonna get set up, and then yeah, you'll be seeing me on more gravel in 2020. So I hope you had a lovely weekend, and I'll see you soon.